All right, let's talk about one more go down. So we already have our guard down, right? So this is our guard down, guard, and boom, yeah? If you don't know that, go check out the guard down tutorial. We can do that on both sides. But this next one we're gonna learn is called a knee drop, yeah? So a knee drop is a really fun one because it fits right in with our top rocks really nice, and it's a really fast, short way to get to the floor. So a basic knee drop just looks like this. We're gonna take one foot, and even though it's called a knee drop, we're not actually dropping on our knee. That's a bad idea. Don't drop on your knees, yeah? We're dropping onto the ball of our foot, yeah? So like, this is the balls of our feet. We're dropping just the ball of our foot. So we're gonna take our right foot. It's gonna come behind our knee, boom. Just like a chamber here, yeah? And we're just gonna drop down using our hands to that foot on the floor, yeah? So I'm not actually touching my knee, yeah? I'm on my foot the whole time. Cool, and then I'm gonna spin it up. Boom. So I go, foot goes behind the knee, I drop down to the foot, boom, my knee doesn't touch the floor, and spin it up, cool? So that's my basic knee drop. I can do that on both sides, yeah? But we're gonna learn a little bit of a fancy version. So we're gonna cross over, like we just did a cross step, boom, and then we're gonna knee drop from here. So we go cross, knee drop, and up, yeah? So it's kind of this little like pinball. We go bing, bing, and we come down. So we go cross, knee, and spin up, yeah? But the point is, obviously, we want to use this as a transition from our top rocks to our footwork, so we don't necessarily need to spin up right away. We can go cross, boom, and then right into our wraps, yeah? Or our switches, or our kickouts, or any of our footwork that we want to do. Cool? So one more time. Left foot crosses out, boom. Right foot comes knee, drop. Yeah, so we're on the ball of our right foot, and we can go boom. We can wrap it up. We can wrap it up. Yeah? Shoo. Cool, so that's our knee drop. Go down, practice it, learn it, make it hot.